Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Amazon.eth ENS domain owner disregards 1 million USDC buyout over on OpenSea. Before it expired, the offer stood at approximately 10 times the amount of the domain's last sale. On Tuesday, the Ethereum Name Service, or ENS, domain Amazon.eth received an offer for 1 million USD coin, or USDC, a stablecoin patched to the United States dollar from an anonymous wallet address on OpenSea. The offer to buy the ENS domain went unanswered, however, and no transaction took place. This is despite the last sale of the domain name being 5 months ago for 33 Ether, or ETH, worth around 100 100,000 US dollar at the of-writing. It is unclear at the time of publication whether the owner simply was not informed of the offer, didn't consider did not consider it to be near fair value, or if the bidding and domain owner accounts were linked in an attempt to boost the price of the asset in what is known as a wash trade. According to data from OpenSea, other bid offers for the ENS domain stand at just around 6,200 US dollar in USDC. The domain name is verified as official by ENS and is owned by anonymous OpenSea user 4761BF. ENS is a blockchain naming protocol that allows users to store avatars and profile images for use across devices and send or receive crypto and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. To sell a .eth domain on OpenSea, users would first need to connect their wallet and register an address at manager.ens.domains, then list it on their OpenSea account. While many crypto enthusiasts took up interesting or creative names for the ENS service, others have embarked on the practice of domain flipping, that is, registering ENS domains containing names of prominent entities beforehand, and and then later demanding a high price for the domain should the said entity wishes to enter the Web3 space later on. Since its inception in 2017, there have been over 1,067 million .eth domain registration across approximately 4 482,000 owners, more than 1,054 registrations were made recently between July 5 to Monday, partly due to lower gas fees and continued interest from entities seeking to enter the Web3 space. To date, the ENS collection on OpenSea has witnessed approximately 46 and 200 ETH, or $71.5 million in cumulative transaction volume. Amazon.eth ENS domain owner disregards 1 million USDC buyout over on OpenSea. Before it expired, the offer stood at approximately 10 times the amount of the domain's last sale. On Tuesday, the Ethereum Name Service, or ENS domain Amazon
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.